Notice how much of that white pulpy part I've saved. Now let me show you why I peel these ahead of time. And the reason for peeling, that's something I have to mention. In the peeling of an orange skin, there's an aromatic oil, which is indigestible by the human body. And they use it to make munitions and fireworks, etc. out of it. Very inflammatory. Now, this is something that you don't realize. Most people will take an orange and cut it in half, right? They have various contraptions. They have a handle one that will just pull a handle right down and squeeze it into a pitcher. And they have the stationary one like this that you do a little bit of this kind of thing, you know. And then they have the electric one where this spins automatically and you just hold it, the orange or the lemon underneath there, and you just let it squeeze. And all you're doing when you're doing that, you're not juicing it, you're squeezing it. And when you squeeze it, all that comes out of there, something that tastes real good because it's almost all sugar, natural sugar. This is the orange juice that you're familiar with, made with a reamer. That's the kind of orange juice you're accustomed to. That's not orange juice. Let me show you what real orange juice looks like. That has less than 10% of the food value. When you do an orange at home with this juicer, you peel the orange coloring only, and you retain that white pulpy part, because that white pulpy part someday is going to save your life. That's your bioflavonoids that strengthens all the blood vessels and the capillaries of the human body. Now here's the way you do it. You save this white pulp. The white pulp has the flavonoids in it. Bioflavonoids, they call it. Vitamin C, double C, K, and K3. Just take your orange. You're not just squeezing it now. You've never had orange juice before. You've had orange water. This is orange juice. That does not look the same, does it? This is very watery. It's clear. This is orange juice. This is sugar water. That's just the sugar. You know how little bit of food value that is? Probably less than 5% of the food value. The food value lies in the white pulpy part. Those are your bioflavonoids that strengthen all the blood vessels and the capillaries of the entire body, especially your brain cells, so you don't have a brain hemorrhage later on in life. This is orange juice. This is sugar water, orange water. You see? What a difference, food value-wise. I wish you were here to taste the difference. This is watery.